Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put about a over s minus number 3. The next one that is about bs plus c over s squared plus 16. Because we have the power 2 in here, that means we need to reduce the power by number 1. So we have number 2 minus 1 and we have s. Later that we reduce s to s to the power of number 0. And this one that is about number 1. Next, we do common denominator. About this one, that is missing about s squared plus 16. So capital A multiplied by s squared plus 16. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 3. So bs plus c multiplied by s minus number 3. Now we need to expand this one. And this one too. So s squared and s squared we can do about factorization. This one and this one we can do another factorization by s. Now we need to compare coefficients. About s squared we have number 4. So a plus b equals to number 4. About s we have number 5. So negative 3b plus c equals to number 5. About this one equals to 49. And now we create the system of equations. And now we can find the solutions of A, B, C. So A equals to number 4, B equals to number 0, C equals to number 5. And now we put A, B, C go in here. So A equals to number 4, B equals to number 0, C equals to number 5. And we can put like this. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 4 or 10 of s over 4. Because number 4 that's it from here. Number 16 that is about 4 square. And this is the final answer in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.